Is it okay that I'm not where I thought I'd be at this age? Wow. One of our maintenance men a long time ago taught me the phrase, "It is what it is." And I've learned over time to accept pretty much what is, while I still try to make things better or try to be better or try to achieve more. But I also believe that the dreams I had as a teenager were exactly that. They're teenage dreams, and there's nothing wrong with them. But as I aged, as I matured, those dreams matured. And so where I thought I would be isn't where I am. But where I am, I'm happy with where I am.